Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a must-have product for your content creation, that is a mini tripod. So this is the tripod I am talking about. This is a mini tripod and it comes with a small remote. So let me show you. This is the mini remote. It comes with a button battery. There is a two option you can use for your camera and for your mobile as well. This is your mobile holder and tripod. This is the part I have to attach it like this. You need to press this button and you need to attach like this, and after that this is the thing. The mobile. This is how you can attach. This tripod is so much flexible, so you can move as per your video object, every aspect 360 degree. So much portable also. So here is the phone option in this remote. If I click this, it will automatically start. See, you can see, and just one click, it's automatically stopped. Now I am changing this option to photo. Suppose you are standing little bit far and you have this remote. If you click, one photo automatically clicked. Again, this is how you can attach with your DSLR, but I will not recommend this because this DSLR weight, it is not that much suitable for this tripod, but for phone it is so much good. So that's all for today's video. I hope you got a clear picture how you can use it, how it will be useful for your content creation. I bought this from Amazon and it cost around 250 to maximum 300. So I will tag this product link in my description box. You can check it from there. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then please do like, share, subscribe my channel. And if you have any queries, you can let me know in the comment section. Take care. Bye.